Hi everyone, you are watching VK's Home Decor. If you want to create a beautiful home interior design or renovate your home, then this video will be very helpful. The modern home is absolutely incomplete without the latest interior design. I love to share the topic about home interior design ideas and tips, home renovation, home makeover, by your own ideas and thoughts. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more updates. Today we will discuss about the backyard fence design ideas for your home. If you are looking for some backyard and garden fencing ideas, then this video will be very useful in your backyard. The backyard fence and backyard garden design that both serves more functional and real statement. If we properly landscape with wooden fence with backyard, will provide the additional touch and its create private outdoor space to spend your family for relaxation. Backyard is one of the most recreation and relaxation place to getting sunlight, ventilation and get fresh air. The backyard fence brings a privacy in your home and outdoor space. Most of the backyard fence usually built with wood. Backyard fence with garden landscaping and patio design will help to enhance the value of your entire home and outdoor structure. Dark and stained color wooden fence design is good for backyard fence with a landscape garden. Horizontal or vertical plank fence design is look modern and sleek. Wooden fence with the horizontal elements or vertical elements design is very practical and pleasant, attractive on both sides. Before finalizing your fence design, decide the colors. Some wood colors may be light or dark colors. So decide the wood color depends upon your landscape and yard and your home exterior look. Metal and concrete fence design is durable and strong. Steel, aluminium and combined with metal frame fence design is also durable. But wooden fence is best choice for your backyard. Wood panel or bamboo fence design, it gives more true extension of the home and its look more luxurious. Wooden fence with green lawn flowers and plants can get a new stunning look in your backyard. There are so many things to consider when designing your backyard. Proper fence, landscape, patio, gardening, lighting, seating, water features, pergola, deck, roofing. These all very important to make your backyard stylish and beautiful look. The contemporary fence design comes in so many styles. There comes with the different wood types and sizes like adding the trees, flowers and greenery look, it will give more modern touch in your backyard. The thin horizontal wooden fence provides the modern contemporary home architecture look and serves as a border for backyard. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more updates.